car. Yeah. I could go get.
Well, does he have anything? Anybody?
No more downstairs. What you call that?
Oh, let me get one of the bags. I have one of those shopping bags.
Well, I'm moving
You
out
know,
to
the
China or anything like that.
reusable shopping bags. That
We're dealing with
to take it home.
you know,
This way it won't come
municipalities.
apart.
They're not gonna deal with China to get postcards.
I'm just gonna run out to the car. Honey, I have those reusable shopping bags in the car.
As a matter of fact, the boss is actually taking advantage of some of that. We have a whole you know, we design it, but then we have to cast China because the foundries over here, well, they can't because they make more specs. We bought a new coffee pot.
What? What are you doing? Are you gonna do a dance? Whoa! Whoa! What is that? Do it up. You're shaking your booty? Shake your booty. Shake your booty. Shake your booty. Now what are you doing? Jumping?
Adding a little jump in there? Alright.
Oh, now we're Madonna-ing?
That's something. That's just falling apart. It's deconstructing.
Are you deconstructing dance?
Come on, let's get your jacket.
Wheel, wheel, wheel. Oh, the glass bottles. Who's right there?
But when you're doing a technical drawing, you know, when you're trying to tell this surface has got to be parallel to that surface, or you know, anything that you have to use word for,
You're shaking your booty. Shake your booty. Shake your booty. That's right. Yeah. Now you hopping? What are you doing? What's my name? That's right. What's my name? What's my name? What are you doing? Oh. Watch out for the kitty cat. He's being nice. Ciao. Wait, I want to go this way. I want to take more pictures. No! Hey.
This way.
Hmm? No, this way. Okay. You closing that door? Good girl. What are you doing? Ella. What are you doing? You what? Nutcracker? Come on, let's go in the kitchen. Where's Oma? Wait, that's Oma. You gotta go find Oma. Why not? You are hopped up on sugar. Shake your booty. No. No, upstairs. Come on. Ella, no upstairs. No upstairs, you little faker. You're a little faker. You're a faker. Ella, no upstairs. No. You're a little faker. Oh, that's it. I'm kidnapping you. Are you two going light as a feather, stiff as a board? On me? No. Come on, let's go find Oma. Ella. No. What? I didn't have you.